Hello, my name is Graham Smale. I'm the Director in charge of bonds and financial derivatives at the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. South Africa is a very interesting and very sophisticated investment destination, and there are a number of the product suite that I'm responsible for that I would like to talk to you about today. At the bottom of the pyramid is our bond market, which covers both government bonds and corporate bonds. This is a very sophisticated and a largely institutional market, and therefore doesn't trade on screen like many other markets in the world. We have a number of primary dealers who quote prices in government bonds to potential investors, and those transactions are reported through to the stock exchange for settlement by the end of the day. This market settles on a T+3 cycle. In other words, you trade today and you settle your bonds in 3 days' time. Alongside government bonds, we also have the full panoply of corporate bond instruments, ranging from short-term commercial paper through structured products, securitized products, as well as fixed-rate bonds, inflation-linked bonds for the corporate sector. Alongside these cash products, we have a growing use of interest rate derivatives, ranging from futures and options on government bonds and government bond indices, as well as a short-dated interest rate future built very much along the lines of the Chicago Merc LIBOR future on a resetting index called JIBAR, which is similar to BBA LIBOR. Alongside these interest rate derivative products, we have now a sophisticated on-screen market maker supported market in currency futures, where all of the currencies are linked back to the rand. So for example, the dollar versus the rand, the euro versus the rand being our largest volume products, and alongside that the pound, the Australian dollar, and various other currencies. So this is a market that is traded on screen and supported by market makers, so it's something you can watch from your screens on your side of the fence. Larger transactions can be transacted with market makers and then reported through to the exchange. Our benchmark products are our equity suite of products. As for most exchanges, we have our index futures and options, which is a market traded on the central order book, electronically and anonymously, but once again, large transactions can be reported through to the exchange for settlement. Our flagship product is the Top 40 Index. It's an index jointly built with FTSE and the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, and is our most successful product. Alongside our index products, we have what we call our single stock futures, which are futures based on individual shares. This is a partly on-screen, partly off-screen market, so you can use market makers to trade, or you can trade on-screen. Our final offering, and possibly most complicated, is we have a structured products environment where we give the opportunity for the marketplace to bring reasonably complex products to the exchange for settlement through our clearing system. This is called our Can-Do platform, which can vary from a simple extension of a simple future or an option. In other words, you can change the date of expiry, or you can change the strike price of the option from a standard strike, or you can change it into a different basket from one of the standard baskets that we have in the indices, through to more complex environments which can include correlation-based options, Himalayas, so reasonably sophisticated. That is a reported market. In other words, it's not traded on screen. It is discussed with your trading member. We build a trading model for it, and then it's cleared through our clearing structure. That's all I have today. For further details, please look on our website, www.jse.co.za.